Welcome. In this video I will show you how to enable game mode on your DYON Movie Smart TV. Now in order to do this, we're gonna have to switch to our gaming console, and you first have to connect your gaming console to your TV. So press input button on your remote control to switch to the gaming console, then select your PlayStation or Xbox on this list. And here, to enable the game mode, you're gonna have to press the menu button, which is located in the top left corner above your arrow keys. And this button will open quick settings on your console. Now here you're gonna have to go to the game mode and switch it on. Now you can also change, enable or disable this setting in all settings menu. To do this, you're gonna have to go to picture mode, click confirm, then go to game settings, go to game mode and turn it either off or on. And that's how we do it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.